Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The Labour Party, in their official handle, Labour Party NG, claimed that the Independent National Electoral Commission is punishing the party for the role it played defending Peter Obi and Electoral in 2023 election. While I'm not making any defense for the Independent National Electoral Commission, but I do not think that the recent leadership crisis in the Labour Party, for which INEC has come out in the court to say that Julius Abure tenure is over, I don't think they are doing it as a result of punishment or to punish Labour Party for its role in defending Peter Obi and Electoral. That is not true. What is happening is that Abure's tenure is over. It ended in June. INEC did not monitor the national convention that was held in Oka in March 2024. That being the case, that to me is the real reason why Abure leadership has been abandoned and is not recognized by the INEC. It's not because of Peter Obi, it is not because of Electoral. That is not true. I do not buy into that sentiment. And in any case, this Abure-led faction of Labour Party ought to have known by now that the game is up. That the game is up. When INEC say they don't recognize them and try to reintegrate itself into the new leadership that is available in Labour Party. And one of the things I found funny is that they were, in that statement they released, they were claiming that people were rolling on the floor. Say people who were rolling on the floor begging for tickets are now the people attacking them. Nobody was rolling on the floor begging for Labour Party ticket. Labour Party was looking for people to pick tickets following the tsunami that was ignited by Peter Obi's presence in that party. And they went on to say that people are attacking them today who cannot even afford the money to pay for nomination funds. Who are those people? There are so many people. The Labour Party forms were almost literally being given away. Yes, it's true. Because nobody had ever thought of Labour Party as being significant in Nigerian politics until Peter Obi emerged on the scene. Okay? But you cannot issue that statement and put Peter Obi's name inside. This is because Peter Obi is financially okay as a person. There is no doubt about it that Peter Obi is a self-made billionaire. Perhaps people don't know. Before Peter Obi left PDP, Peter Obi had already bought the form of PDP for about 50 million or thereabout. He had already bought the form of PDP to contest under PDP and had traversed the whole country with his then DG. Who was Doyin Okukpe. Doyin Okukpe was Peter Obi as his DG in PDP. And Peter Obi was the only presidential candidate from Southeast. He was the only presidential candidate from Southeast in PDP. that traversed the whole country. Not even Dave Umahi or any of these other people were able to do something like that. Because I think that time Dave Umahi was still in PDP. And he was touted to be interested in the presidency before he defected to the APC, where they promised him, they allegedly promised that the presidency will shift to Southeast. So Peter Obi, you can see how he forgot the money that he paid, non-refundable, for the presidential ticket of PDP. So you can't say that Peter Obi was rolling on the floor. He wasn't among those. If there are people that roll on the floor begging for ticket that time, it can't be Peter Obi. Peter Obi came with a lot of goodwill that, thank God for him, he helped in changing the life of Abure and all of them now. Because it was because of his presence that Labour Party was able to attract the kind of money it attracted in the last election, which is now subject of a discourse on how it was spent. Then you talk about Electoral. Electoral could afford to pay his ticket. Electoral cannot be somebody that will be rolling on the floor begging for ticket, or that he cannot pay for the full ticket of Labour Party. No. Electoral was a bank CEO. He has paid his dues in the private sector. So I don't understand why they have to come up with this childish statement. To me, it's very childish. They should accept the reality. Abure and Co should accept the reality that everything that has a beginning has an end. Their time is over. Their time is over. If they are still interested in leadership of Labour Party, well, they can return back to the fold when they are holding a national convention for the new leadership. They can contest. Nenadi Usman, who is now the acting national chairman of Labour Party, is just acting. It's not permanent. It's not permanent. When there is a national convention that is supervised by the INEC, Abure and Co can contest. If the people in the party, members of the party, want them to return, they will return. But the truth of the matter remains that the process through which he was supposedly re-elected in Oka in March has been called to question. INEC did not recognize that process. In fact, when INEC was in court on this matter, INEC said that the continued stay of Abure was against the Electoral Act. It was against the Labour Party Constitution. It was against the Constitution of Nigeria. They made their case very clear why Abure cannot continue to parade himself as the national chairman of Labour Party. It was well presented. I think anybody who is in doubt should go and read the report on the INEC's position on why he did not recognize Abure as the national chairman of Labour Party. So, reintegrating themselves back to the party is what should be uppermost in their mind. And I don't think that even Peter Obi bears any malice or any malice towards Abure, despite everything he has been talking. Peter Obi still see him as a brother. hoping that he will come back to his normal senses of working for the people instead of trying to be among those that are trying to bring down Labour Party and thus helping scuttling the possibility of changing the APC in 2027. They should tread carefully and stop putting out these kinds of statements, because that does not help the matter. It doesn't help the Labour Party. It doesn't help the country. That's the truth. I don't know what to think about this, but whatever is your position on this matter, let us hear from you through the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you and yours. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.